So welcome back guys. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make a loading system just like what you see on your screen, and I teach you the whole thing. And if you want to get it, so what you're supposed to do is click the like button and subscribe, because if we hit 10 if this video get 10 likes and 100 views, I'll give away the whole package of this loading system. So what we're waiting for? So just like and subscribe if you don't. If you did already subscribe, thank you so much for supporting me. And the loading system is not just like what you see. It has a skip right there. And let's start. So this video I'm not going to rescript the script, so I'm going to explain this how the script works. So I call the GUI loading screen, so just to load that and make okay. So as you can see here, we have button. The button I get from the plugin, so I'm not the one customize the button. So if we visible this, so as you can see this inside of this, so give invisible. So the frame, or I call this loading frame, and I don't know why I put corner, UI corner. So and text label for loading. So time to script. So here in the first one we have, so let's make it like that. So in the first one we have player. So I define the player just like this. So local player equals game player local player, or game player added weight, so to make that error the script. So char for character, so I just add the humanoid to local humanoid, and I use wait for child to don't get error on the script. So don't do this just like jar that humanoid, don't do this. Make sure add a wait for child. So the next one is GUI or GUI or UI. So I call the frame inside of the script, under parent of the script, and the loading, this is the text label. Yes, the text label. And the third one is the skip. It's the skip button. And the workspace, we have com part. So what is the com part? So basically it's part under the workspace. So this is the part that we attached our camera. So I add decals inside of the part. So because Roblox Studio, the surface, I don't know why they delete the surface, so I need to make a decals to know where the front surface of the part. So here, just like if you don't know where the surface, add decals, then back this. So this makes sense. To the next one, and I make it visible true and answer is true. Okay. So the second one is camera. Current camera, it's just like the camera, but I don't know why it's called current camera. Maybe the camera of the player, already know. So by the way, the frame is just a image that I took on Toolbox, and I got the image and type the loading just like that. And there's so much loading image that you can use on your own games, just like that one, just like, oh, I like this one. Maybe we can try this. So copy the ID and put the ID on image. So just like that. If you want to change, just change it. So then you can use what you want, just like that you can use. If you have one, good. If you don't have, just go to the toolbox and find one. Just like what I do. They done. It's up to you what game you want and where the loading screen fit. Okay. Sorry for the not sorry for my English because I'm Filipino. So back to the topic. So others is can skip, which is a number that if reach the value. So I'll explain later. So the second one is wait. So the second one is blur. So I instance that new. I use instance that new, and the third one is start. By the way, and the third. Oh, okay. I make a function with start and I use camera manipulation. If you don't know, watch a tutorial on that. And if we can use the look vector, but I don't want it. So in the blur, I set the parent of the blur and the light. So and the size of the blur is 7. So just like this. Wait, adding a blur effect and resize to 7, so we get a more beautiful blur. So do like this. So in the third is skip. By the way, the button skip. Wait. The skip button is text button, by the way. So if you click the button and type the class name, so we can, as you can see, it's text button. So just confirm it. Yeah, it's a text button. So we can use the event of mouse button 1 down, then connect to the function, then set the scan skip to 0, and back the camera manipulation to our character. Yeah, to the humanoid and the costume, and destroy the blur and destroy the loading screen. So call the function, and I use render step or run service and render step. So why I use this, because I want a smooth rotation of our frame. So as you can see here, the rotation, adding rotation of our script of the frame. So if you type rotation here, as you can see it's 0, and if you increase it up, it's rotating. So that's why I use run service for more smooth animation or rotation, smooth rotation, and adding this can skip a 1 every single second. And if if can skip is can skip is increasing 1 per seconds, right? So if can skip if reach is greater than 500, then skip visible is equals to true. That's how we can see the skip and spawn function. If you don't know the spawn function, go to YouTube and type how make it tutorial about this, because render step is kind of loop script that it's just like while true do. That's why we need a spawn function, because we'll know script is read Roblox script reading just like that. And if they find a loop, it's read just like this and never ever read the next function or next script. So that's why I use spawn function. So if you don't get the point, just watch a tutorial about spawn function. So inside that of spawn function, I use a while true do and changing the loading that text or text label to make it just like that. Loading dot is changing this. So let's test it. The transparency 1, then I use no here show developer GUI. So it's up to you if you want to hide the GUI while developing. You don't have to, but let's test it. Excuse me. So by the way, if I'll give away the script or the whole loading system if we hit 10 likes and 100 views, okay? Just don't forget it. And subscribe please. So look at the animation. It's not fit, but we can change the loading frame if we want, if the loading frame is not fit. So I change this. So find on the toolbox, okay, again. So let's find on toolbox. This block loading is not fit, so I try this one. So maybe it's fit on render step. So okay, try this one. Just wait until the loading. Okay. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It's giving me motivate to make more video. So yeah, the loading frame is good. It looks cool. If you see, that's cool. I like this. Maybe I kept this one. So maybe that's the end of the video. If you want more, just subscribe and hit the bell. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. But maybe I add more detail, just like a finish. If we skip, finish, then add weight here before the another, maybe one. So try this. So yeah, maybe. Sorry for my English, guys. English is not my first language. I'm Filipino, so let's see what we get if we skip this. So finish. Oh, maybe I'll fix this. So yeah, maybe that's it. Let's end up the video. How I E4. I want to bag wave E. I don't know, but E. What? I already forget. Maybe E. Yeah, it's that. So yeah, goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you like the video, and for more, hit the bell. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I already said that many times. Thank you for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.